Hey, Creative Chrissy here. So this has got to, I gotta do something drastic or something. This system, at least my paper system, just doesn't work. I have everything everywhere again, as usual. Got my cute little baskets, but I gotta write on them what they are because it doesn't help. It helps me to keep them out where you can't see them. And that isn't working because my husband never puts the receipts in there. It drives me freaking nuts. So I'm probably just going to take those baskets, put them on a piece of barn wood that I have out back, and sell them at my shop. I think they should sell quite nicely. So I need to clean all this up. Oh, my lordy. I don't know what I'm going to do. So any suggestions would be great. This clutter's got to go. Later.